Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Cimbali Junior, I believe, espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up on this machine. We also had to reassemble the entire steam valve assembly. We assembled the whole thing and we made sure everything was running out fine. Like I was saying, this was the previous condition of the machine, and here you can see all the internals of the machine as well. And we were working on the steam hot water valve. As you can see, it's pretty clogged in there. There was a lot of debris inside, and especially over here on the valve. So we ended up disassembling the entire thing, both of these, and deep cleaning it, replacing the oils of it, replacing the gaskets of the machine, of the pants as well, and making sure they were twistable. We also replaced these knobs, as you can see, and yes, that's all we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Hopefully I pick up the right sense of this machine. Otherwise, you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. And as you can see, I did not tamper properly. There's a lot of channeling that went straight to the machine. I usually tamper pretty hard. This time I do not. Forgot this one has a rotary pump inside and is blown into the water line. So it definitely requires a little bit more harder of a tampering. Just tamper a little bit more harder. As you can see, it was channeled right through the coffee, and so we could have gotten a nice espresso shot, but we didn't get one that was pretty good. So the machine is excellent, great, and the steam of the machine is doing great, as well as the container and water the machine working perfectly. And there you have it, Cimbali Junior working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.